Prepare your mindset to relax. Sit comfortably on chair. Keep your backbone as straight as possible. Do not stretch it. Keep your shoulders wide but relaxed. Keep your both the palms over your thighs towards the knees. Keep your neck straight. Legs are parallel to each other. Don't cross your legs. Legs are relaxed. See in front of you 5 to 10 feet away from you. Keep your breathing as normal as possible, as passive as possible. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out slowly. Keep your eyes wide open. Now concentrate at the center of the circle in front of you, to the center point. Now onwards, don't flip your eyelids. Keep it wide open. In few seconds, you may have a feeling of the challenges, irritation, maybe itching in your eyes. Let it be. There may be tear in your eyes. Let it be. Keep your breathing in and out. Think of you are getting a great energy inside you. You are cleaning your eyes with impartition of tears inside them. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out. Keep your eyes wide open. Do not close them. When you feel it is too difficult to keep it open, very slowly close them. Observe what you see with your closed eyes. You may have yellow, brown, or sun-like structure. You may have a sunlight seeing in front of your eyes. You are seeing it with closed eyes. Keep your breathing as relaxed as possible. Relax your shoulders. Concentrate on your toes and relax them. Concentrate on your calf muscles. Release any tension in them. Just release any pressure in your knees, your thighs. Relax your tummy. Concentrate on belly button, Manipur chakra. Relax it. The whole trunk, relax it. Though your backbone is straight, but it is relaxed. Relax your neck, shoulders. Relax your forearms, arms. Relax your fingers, palm. You should be in an energy condition very near to zero. Feel your breath. Feel your breath sound of breathe in slowly, breathe out slowly. Concentrate on your breath. Relax your chin, your eyelids, eyeballs. Relax your nose and cheeks. Relax the tongue, your throat. No folds on the forehead. Observe the stand stillness. Observe complete relaxation throughout the body. Give your all internal organs as much comfortableness as possible. If thoughts are there, concentrate on breath. Repel any thought, let it go. You are gaining your energy. Very slowly, move the fingers of left hand, move the fingers of right hand. Put your hand together and rub your palms. Rub them more quickly. More quickly. Now rub them on back of your neck. Rub them on ear. Your complete face. Rub the whole face so that blood flow on your face should increase. Rub them on your eyes. With the resilience of better health in mind, remembering your mom, in front of you, giving you blessings. Very slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your happiness. Enjoy your energy. Enjoy your rejuvenation.